Good morning students. Welcome to online class 7th, subject mathematics. Today's our topic is comparison of two rational numbers. Means how we can compare two rational numbers and say which number is greater and which number is smaller number. So there are two cases. We study one by one. Case 1 is if the two rational numbers have same डिनोमिनेटर, यानी कि जिन रैशनल नंबर्स को हमें कंपेयर करना है अगर उनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द नंबर विद द लार्जर न्यूमिनेटर विल बी ग्रेटर. तो जिस नंबर का न्यूमिनेटर बड़ा होगा वही रैशनल नंबर क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल compare 2/7 and 5/7. Look at the denominators. Both the numbers have same denominator, that is 7. So we will compare numerator. Since 5 is greater than 2, so the number with numerator 5, that is 5/7 is greater than 2/7. In this way we can compare two rational numbers with the same denominator. Now move to case second. If two rational numbers have different denominators, यानी कि जिन rational numbers को हमें compare करना है उनका denominator different है. How we compare these numbers? So there are two methods to compare rational numbers with different denominators. Method 1 is, first of all we make the denominator equal and then compare. सबसे पहले हम उनके डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल करेंगे और उसके बाद उन्हें कंपेयर करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंपेयर 7/5 and 8/7. नाउ द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर 5 and 7 respectively, and these two numbers are different. So first of all we convert the rational numbers to have the same positive denominator. यानी कि सबसे पहले हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को कन्वर्ट करेंगे रैशनल नंबर्स में जिनका डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव हो और सेम हो. इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 7. एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 7 is 35. Now convert 7/5 with the denominator 35. So we multiply 5 by 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and 5 sevens are 35. You have already done this concept in the previous exercise. How we convert a rational number into another rational number. Now 8/7 and denominator should be 35. So we multiply this by 5. Now 8 5s are 40, 7 5s are 35. Now both these numbers have same denominator. Now compare the numerators. Since 49 is greater than 40, so 49/35 greater than 40/35. Hence 49/35 is equivalent to 7/5. Hence 7/5 is greater than 8/7. In this way we can compare two rational numbers. Yet there is another method to compare the two rational numbers. In this method we need not to make equal denominators. यानी कि इसमें हमें डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंपेयर -5/7 and 4/-9. First of all write this number in standard form and we write it as -4/9. Now we cross multiply the numbers. Multiply -5 by 9 and the answer is -5 multiply 9 is 45. Now 7 multiply minus 4 is equals to minus 28. Since minus 45 is less than minus 28, so minus 5 upon 7 is less than minus 4 upon 9. But in this method, make sure that first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. That means we have to go in that direction and then in this direction. Now we have to compare these two numbers. If this number is greater, then the number on the left side is greater. If this one is greater, then the number on the right side is greater. Now let us proceed to worksheet 6, question number 1. Determine which rational number is greater in each case. That means we have to compare the two rational numbers. Part 4th is minus 8 upon 3 and 19 upon minus 6. By method 1. First write 19 upon minus 6 in standard form as minus 19 upon 6. Now find the LCM of 3 and 6, which is 6. Now convert the numbers with the denominator 6. So we multiply this number by 2. Minus 8 multiply 2 is equals to minus 16. 3 2s are 6. In this number we multiply by 1. Minus 19 multiply by 1, that is minus 19. 6 ones are 6. Now these two numbers have same denominators, so compare the numerators. Since minus 16 is greater than minus 19, since minus 16 is greater than minus 19, so minus 16 upon 6 is greater than minus 19 upon 6. Hence, this number is equivalent to minus 8 upon 3 is greater than 19 upon minus 6. Now, you can do the same question by second method also. We have to compare these two numbers, so we cross multiply these two numbers. First of all, we multiply minus 8 by 6 and then 3 by minus 19. Now minus 8 multiply 6 is equals to minus 48 and 3 multiply minus 9 is equals to minus 57. Since minus 48 is greater than minus 57, so the number minus 8 upon 3 is greater than minus 19 upon 6. Now your today's homework is solve question number 1, 2, 3 of worksheet 6. Thank you and have a nice day.